Good day, everyone. Today, we're going to be learning on how to print out using JavaScript, mainly on how to take data from the code to the client side, which is in the document or in the console. So what I have here is I've opened my Visual Studio Code and I've opened my HTML Chrome file. So I'll be sending commands to this file saying it must print out this. The most common ways of printing out in JavaScript is alert. We use alert. We use document dot write, and then we use console dot log. These are the most common ways of printing out in JavaScript. Now let's see how they display. If we say alert me a string which will say hello world. Control, save, Control S, refresh. If you refresh the document, we can see this. This is alerting us. So most of the time, this box over here is shown if we probably did a mistake, then it's alerting us. Let's say in an online store, you've clicked into a product twice, it will alert you and say, we already have this product in the cart. So that's what mostly alert is used for. Let's say okay. And then the second way, document.write, as the word is saying, writing on the document.write. So this one is to write in this HTML document. Let's say it must say hello Lonwabo, which is my name. Let's ask it to say hello Lonwabo. Control S. If your Control S is not working, you can say file and then you can say save. It will automatically save. Go to refresh. Hello Lonwabo. Let's increase that font by using the header1 tag. Let's go and say header1. Let's close the tag. Header1 also on the side. Control S. You refresh. Hello Lonwabo. Wow. So bold. So we can also write in multiple lines. Document.write. Let's just draw a line. Line is drawn by saying HR, Control Save. If we refresh, you can see a line. You can even write below that line, document.write. Let's just change the language to make things interesting. Let's write in isiXhosa. isiXhosa will say molweni onke. That's another way of saying hello world. Let's change the tag. Let's change the font. Let's say this is header 3. The header 3. So header 3 will be smaller than header 1. Display that. Molweni nonke. So that's writing on the HTML document. If you want to display something on a document, you say document.write. So let's try the last one. So the last one is console.log. In console.log, let's say hello L.Sandi Academy. Let's file, save that. It's saved. Let's refresh and see. So if we're refreshing, we are seeing nothing. It's simply because this thing is sent to the console. We open the console by right-clicking, going to inspect. So if you right click and click inspect, we see this, we see the console. Click the console, click the console. Yeah, so it says you have one message. The message is saying hello L.Sandi Academy. So most of the time, the console is used by the programmers because they want to see what their code is doing. Most of the time, your code won't be displayed in your document so that you can see. You see it in the console. Let's say you have an event listening. If you click this, you want to see in your console bar, my code is gonna do this and that. So that's what the console is. So those are mostly the ways, the three ways we're gonna use in this tutorial to print out using JavaScript.